Welcome back to 3-Minute Hikes. Today we'll be hiking to the top of Skyscraper Mountain in Mount Rainier National Park. For today's hike, we'll be climbing 1,500 feet, topping out at 7,078 feet, and traveling 8 miles round trip. We take a left at Sourdough Ridge and head for Frozen Lake. At the 5-way intersection, we go more or less straight toward the Wonderland Trail and Skyscraper Mountain. We reach a sign half buried in snow and turn left to stay on the Wonderland Trail. We get our first good look at Skyscraper Mountain. We take our time on this final snowfield, which is situated on a precarious slope. Skyscraper Pass serves as a nice turnaround point, but we're not quite done yet. We've got one last climb left. It's easier than it looks. That's all for now. See you next time.